Okay, so nothing like getting stuck with low tire pressure. This is an automatic shut-off air pump. So once it reaches past 46, and you know that because if I press, well, it's 49. So let's drop this to 46. There we go. So once it goes to 46, it should just turn off. There you go. So now we're gonna remove this. So the car has to be running in order for this pump to work. Now you can see you press plus. This is how you set the maximum PSI. We're setting at 46, even though the car tire gives us 51. You know, on a car tire, the maximum PSI, by looking at it right here, every tire has this. See that? 51 PSI. Now there is a light on here too, so you press this on and then the light comes on. Okay, now if you click M, you got different modes. KPA, so you can set it at KPA 2 if you like. And again, you can set the KPAs high as well. And kilograms per centimeter, you can also set that. So bars, KPAs, kilograms per centimeter, and PSI. So excellent little pump. 120 volts, 150 PSI maximum pressure. It does come with different attachments and a little carry bag. So this is Tsumbai car air pump. I've had this for like 3 years. Definitely recommend it. Thanks for watching.